There you go. Did you see it? It's a 9 of spades. Did you see the picture? Beautiful picture. It's the anchor. Here's another cute northern version of the Lenormand tarot card. There's a pelican in this picture. I love it. Look at this. What a beautiful picture. That's a coastal. So many artists draw these cards. They're just fascinating. Every deck is different. They all contain the same symbols, but they're also beautifully drawn. Okay, now that you're nearly an expert, what is this anchor going to mean? What's it all about? Let's think about it. Let's think about an anchor. What does an anchor do? It holds the ship down. So in the money questions, it's going to be money that's held down, being held down. So we're talking about maybe a definite salary. We're talking about your secure money, your pension money. What about personalities? Could be somebody that is very faithful but perhaps controlling and holding you down. It has to do with maybe somebody that hangs on to somebody else way too much, not so dependent. An anchor means holding something down, but it could be that that person is holding you down. Professionally, it means you're going to have a lot of demands made on you. Let's talk about the love. When the anchor comes up with the heart, and the question is about the love, I would be fair to say that's an interdependence. The love is an anchor and it's holding the love together. It also means it's difficult to separate. There's a lot holding it down. Another thing that the anchor is used to depict is your vocation, your profession, or your talent, and what is holding you. In other words, what is stabilizing you? If we would pretend you are the boat, you are the ship. The anchor is what you are doing professionally, how you are earning your money, who are your best friends, what is holding you, what is stabilizing you, what is protecting you from a storm or from the wind blowing you away or things like that. So I think with the anchor we can pretty much say, think about the object and then transform it into how it relates to a person. What keeps you from being pulled out to sea into the unknown or into danger? What is holding your relationship together, the anchor? Or what is necessary? What action do you have to take as a person to hold something down? As you're laying the cards and reading the cards, the anchor will pretty much answer a little bit what direction you should be going. And I'll kind of leave it at that. Don't want to overdo it, because the point of learning tarot cards is not to tell you what to think, it's to help you to think. The symbols are there. The tendencies of the symbols have been established for hundreds and hundreds of years. They're printed in every language. It's just a matter of picking up the pieces, studying the 36 and then seeing if you get any kind of spiritual energy out of these cards, and eventually can read the cards as you see fit. Okay, I'm gonna click this one off, and we can start to celebrate. Get your champagne ready, because the next video is 36, which is the last video, which means we've gotten through all 36 cards, and then the fun begins. Start doing readings. Well, I already can congratulate you now. I'll meet you. I'm clicking out. I'm clicking back in with 36. So hang in there, and I'll see you in a minute.